The elastic cord knotting method that will never come undone in a lifetime. Do you usually do this too, just tying 2 knots randomly? One pull and it snaps, sending beads bouncing everywhere? Follow me to learn a trick that solves this problem for good. I'll use 2 different colored cords for the demonstration. Place the left cord over the right cord. Flip the right cord backward twice. Then, take the left cord and place it over the right cord again. Flip the left cord forward twice. Pull it tight like this. The counter tension makes it grip tighter and tighter. Now, let's do it again with the actual elastic cord. Place the left cord over the right cord. Flip the right cord backward twice. Freezing the frame here so you can see it clearly. Then pull it tight to fix the position. Step 2. Place the left cord over the right cord again. Flip the left cord forward twice. Freeze frame to see clearly, then pull it tight slowly. Look, it's super secure. Cut off the excess ends. Then hide the knot by pulling it into the hole of the bead. Now our bracelet is finished. Isn't it super simple? No need to tie multiple knots, one knot does it all. Save this formula now.